Hi, my name's Alicia, and I've been a patient of Dr. Wilson's for over 3 decades. In fact, she delivered my daughter almost 20 years ago. It's really important to me to live the rest of my life with as much pleasure and purpose as possible, and I really strive for health in all areas of my life, including spiritually, physically, and yes, sexually. Even though in my mind I feel like I'm 30 years old, I fully realize that I have a 60-year-old body and that with age and childbirth can have a diminished effect on sexual response and pleasure. So when I discussed that with Dr. Wilson, she recommended Viveve. She explained that it's a procedure that uses radio frequencies to heat the vaginal walls, and that strengthens and tightens the tissue. Once you read about the science of it and what it actually does in terms of heating the vaginal tissue, it makes sense that it would tighten and strengthen and reduce the laxity. So in ways, it sort of brings you back to when you were in your 30s. After Viveve, not only was there significant increased sensation and responsiveness, it also gave me sort of this added confidence of knowing that not only was I receiving more pleasure, but I was also giving more pleasure. I think there's a misconception that women over 60 are invisible or frumpy and not interested in sex, and that is just not my experience at all. With age comes wisdom and confidence, and there's this sort of wonderful playfulness and deep spiritual connection that comes from a really wonderful, intimate relationship. And I feel that at my age, there's even a fuller expression of sexuality than when I was younger, and I really credit Dr. Wilson with that. She offers a lot of different options for women that are my age that want to maintain, regain, or even just improve their sexual relationship. And in my opinion, Viveve was one of those great options. Thank you, Dr. Wilson, for making 60 feel great.